Hey, today we're gonna open up Splinter from Super7 Ultimates. This is from Wave 1. They're on like Wave 16, 17. Finally came into my price range. So we're ready to go. I've got all the turtles. Finally have the original 6 because I have Shredder as well. I just got Casey, but it was Mirage Casey. I mean, no, he was real, but from the Mirage comic. So let's look at his accessories first, I guess. The same ninja stars or shuriken that all the turtles came with. It's got this spilled cup and it looks like it's water or vodka, maybe Pepsi Clear. This cute little turtle here with bright yellow eyes. Got some nice detail on him, a little bit of shading. He might be my favorite little turtle. I should have brought some more out. I think he is my favorite little turtle. Look at this bow with the nice string. Can it shoot an arrow? Now I'm gonna try. Yeah, silver on there, real string. This is totally gonna shoot. It makes it easier to shoot because it lines up. I don't want to shoot any of these toys. Maybe the really old Donnie. Whoa, that was powerful. It almost hit the camera right in the lens. Now I have to find it on the floor because it bounced back. That's fun. I'll just try to remember to pick that up at the end of the video. It came with 3 arrows, bow, dope, 3 extra sets of hands. Got karate chop hands. He's got holding stuff hands on him, fist hands, and like monster hands, I guess you have to call these. But that's the hand that you need for him to hold his cane, but he doesn't hold it very well because it doesn't fit in the holding stuff hands. And he's got this, which is a cane, but it's a sword cane. That's dope, and I love the silver detail on that. Got the extra weapons carded like they would have came in the original toy. That's sick. And he came with a second robe. Yeah, robe, that's what it's called, not dress. And it's made of like a rubbery plastic. I think this will look better, but I really like this one because now we'll finally look at the figure with the metal belt clip. Is it? Oh, it's an elastic attached to the robe. No, so you can just loosen it or just stretch it off and then the robe will come off. He's got full articulation. Look at those big feet to help him stand up nice and straight. His tail rotates around and it has a second pivot point. So this is him with the other robe that I put on him after I finished filming and I took these pictures. I think it looks dope. I don't know because I haven't done it yet, but that's what it looks like. Next week will be custom Casey's something. So until then, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.